The 14-inch full metal platform bed frame is designed with practicality in mind, ensuring easy installation with its upgraded folding slats and leg support design. Engineered for strength, this bed frame is constructed from heavy-duty steel and can support up to 3,500 pounds, providing exceptional stability and durability. Its innovative design includes 3 pre-drilled headboard mounting holes, allowing you to easily customize your bed with various styles of headboards. The bed frame ensures a noise-free sleeping environment with silent sponges between slats and silicone anti-slip foot caps on each leg to prevent scratches and maintain stability. With a height of 14 inches, this bed frame offers 12.4 inches of underbed storage space, making it convenient for storing various items and maintaining a tidy room. The rounded corner design of the bed's foot effectively minimizes the risk of knee and calf abrasions, setting it apart from traditional right-angled bed frames.